Going east from Providence, Rhode Island on Route 114, the open area of 100 Acre Cove, which is nestled within suburban development, farmland, protected open space, and a state highway, will come into your view on your left. This area is called Osamequin Nature Preserve, named for the leader of the Pokanoket tribe of the Pokanoket Nation, 1581 to 1661, who played a major part in the survival of the first European colonists, as well as helping to preserve peace throughout this area for more than 50 years. The political seat of the many tribes collectively known as the Pokanoket Nation or Confederacy was Soams, the homeland of the Massasoit. The Pokanoket tribe's territory included what is now a small portion of Providence, East Providence, the towns of Bristol, Warren, and Barrington, Rhode Island, and the towns of Seekonk, Swansea, Somerset, and Rehoboth. When Osamequin's people were seriously weakened by a series of epidemics and were vulnerable to attacks by the Narragansetts, Osamequin formed an alliance with the colonists at Plymouth Colony. It was through Osamequin's assistance that the European colonists avoided starvation during the early years. The Pokanoket have lived in this area for at least 12,000 years and have long been environmental stewards who believe in respecting the creations of the earth and in the value of their connection to the land. The Osamequin Nature Preserve and Bird Sanctuary was purchased by the town of Barrington in the 1960s through the state's Green Acres program and is co-managed by the Barrington Land Conservation Trust, the Barrington Garden Club, and the town. The Land Trust Volunteer Student Stewardship Team and the Tuesday Trails Team collaborate with the Garden Club to maintain the trails. This preserve offers visitors a place to birdwatch and enjoy a diverse sample of Rhode Island's coastal plant and animal communities along the west shore of the Barrington River's 100 Acre Cove. Salt marsh islands in the cove are visible from the shoreline of the refuge, and the horseshoe crabs lay eggs on the shoreline each spring. The trail system on the preserve provides many views of the cove, as well as the various habitats and environments within the preserve. The trails are all easy and flat, and each habitat type is accessible to refuge visitors via the color-coded trails, which begin with the green trail at the park entrance.